you lovely ponies. Guess what day it is today? It's Cooking Thursdays. So that means it's a Thursday and it's a cooking one. So guess what? I've been looking at the comments, which isn't that amazing, but okay, do you want to see some Libby Ponies comments? This one sounds really good. So I asked what you guys had for dinner, yeah, or tea, or whatever, and Dar, I know your name isn't Dar, but I like to think of you as Dar, D-A, right? Dar said, I had some leftovers, yeah, macaroni cheese and some cut up sausage, bacon bits, can of peas, get rid of the can of peas, I'd choose something else, and extra cheese. But I don't know what I'd have instead of peas. Peas and cheese, they rhyme. So that one sounds really good. I like that one. And also, CB Full hot dogs. We don't have hot dogs here. Well, we probably do, but they're not common at all. I don't actually know where you'd get any hot dogs around here. And I've hardly ever had those sort of wiener type sausages, because all our sausages here, well not all, but loads are just like bangers. Like, that's kind of what you'd call them. They're like really boring, traditional here anyway. Like, I guess your traditional ones are like the wieners or the hot doggy type ones, but they sound really nice. They're probably unhealthy or something, I don't know. But I like the sound of them because they sound all porky and nice. I did have some nice sausages though, actually, the other day, but I don't know what they're called. They're really nice. They're different to normal ones. I don't know. But anyway, all your food sounds really nice that everyone had, especially the macaroni cheese with the porkiness and cheesiness. Today I thought I would make a toasted sandwich of cheese and ham and hopefully, yay, salady leaves. I was thinking, I hope there are some. There are in there. So I thought I'd do it in the grill, which is that bit there. So I'm really glad that there's like leaves, because I thought there wasn't going to be. There's ham, premium ham. That's not your regular, you know, rubbish ham. No, rubbish ham. This cheese, there's only one little bit left. Little bit. Great. Why is there always a dilemma when I come to cook? There's like one bit there, I think. Yeah, one bit. So I'm going to have to grate some cheese, I think. This mild cheddar. Oh my god, that's the fridge. It made a noise. I'm going to see what's in this little tub. This little tub over here. I don't know, let's have a look. Reaching into the beast. Oh dear. There's something in there. Now I'm going to find out what it is. Oh my god. Oh my god. I didn't know about this being in there. This is some fangs. There's some vampire fangs that I used. I don't think even this Halloween just gone. I don't remember Halloween just gone. I don't think I did anything for it. Oh, I remember. I know, because I did a vlog and I painted my nails orange, and that's all I did for Halloween. You can go look that up if you want, but the Halloween before I used these fangs, and you have to mold them to your back teeth. Well, not your, some of your teeth. I don't know, and then you can make them move in your mouth by moving your tongue, like they move. They're actually really cool, but I didn't know they were in there. They're fangs. Shall I put them in? Oh god, this is really annoying. I don't even remember how to do this. god. Yeah. Oh god. Huh? Hey? Oh my god. Oh, how wonky. Okay. Hello, I'm a vampire. They don't taste of anything, so that's good. If they did, that would be the most disgusting thing in the whole world. Put that in there, and then they'll be washed up. Well, that was exciting. Also, there's this, which I haven't looked at, but it's a savoury pie thingy. Yep. But that's in quotes, so I don't know who said that. Maybe someone in the shop said it. So I'm going to start. I need to grate this. So I'm going to start that now. Dun, 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 dun. Cheese. Big slab of it. It's pretty cool to be holding this, I must say. It's like holding a huge cheese pen or something. And I have the biggest urge just to bite a big chunk out of it. Does anyone else have that urge when they hold a big piece of cheese? Has anyone ever held a big piece of cheese before? Of course they have. Anyway, I'm going to grate some cheese on here. And I kind of need 2 hands. But it's okay. Because one hand is your eyes. Where are you looking? Oh wait, hang on, I made the finger wrong. No, I didn't. It just looked like it. Oh wait, look, there's some in there. Wow! I'm gonna have to put your eyes down. You're gonna have to close your eyes. Close. Yeah, because I need to grate the cheese. I've put the cheese in there, from in there. There's the evidence of it all. Evidence. So I thought if I don't use all this, which I probably won't because it's kind of feels heavy. What if I dropped that? That would be bad. Then I can just put it in the fridge because that's what my mum does. But she didn't do any this time, so I had to actually do some physical labour. Oh, maybe I should have margarine. There's the butter. But it's always so cold. It's like if I'm gonna start using butter, then I'm gonna have to have it out of the fridge. So we'll have to see about that. I do want to start using butter, but actually I don't know if I've been using it, if my mum's been using it on stuff for me, but it hasn't been tasting so nice, and I don't know if it's the margarine or if it's the butter. So I don't know. So now, this is how much I used. Okay, so what I've done is I've layered up, oh you can't even see the ham, but is that too much cheese? Maybe. But there's that layer of cheese underneath, yeah, like the regular slice of cheese, and then there's ham, and then there's cheese, and then this one is here, so that it gets a little bit toasted, like, I don't know if that's a good idea, but then I'm going to put that in, like, on top of that, and then put that over on the top. So I hope that this works, and I hope that this doesn't like go weird, because like that's just margarine on there, so that's probably gonna go weird. Anyway, I'm gonna put that in. Put that in there, right? Hang on, let me put it straight. Yeah. And then I'll grill. I don't remember which one it is. Inner or both? Oh no. Oh no. No. This one is lighter orange, I remember. So let's put that on 4-ish. Oh bugger. I never thought of what temperature. So I hope that works. And I forgot about temperature. I was just like, yeah, just put that in and it'll get all brown and nice and toasty and golden. Golden, it has to be golden, not just brown. Because brown could mean burnt. Cheese is all over here. I don't know who this guy is, but his Twitter picture is really scary. I'm going to check on the cheesiness. And smelty. And that is, I don't know if I should move that out. That's margarine, right? It's just yellow. There's lots of yellow going on. Yellow, bit of pink. But it's the ham, you see? It's not like something's raw in there. There's nothing raw in there, I can see it right now. I wanted to go a bit kind of brown. You know, the cheese, to go a bit goldeny brown. That's how I'm doing it in the grill. See, it's open, you see? Right? And then I move this to check. So that's stuffed in there. That's further in than it was. So maybe it'll go golden brown now. That thing is waiting. I'm not sure what it is. I think it's like cheese. I'm not sure what's in there. Like, maybe it's not cheese. I've had a little bit of it before, but I don't remember exactly. Maybe like oniony? Something? I don't know. And I really, really, really want a haircut. I wish that my fringe was back, not this, because it's really annoying. And what's going on in here? These are nice. I've had some of these. They're very nice. Belvita breakfast. They're basically breakfast biscuits, and you get a little packet of them. Each little portion is like four in a packet. They're very nice. Kind of oaty, and actually kind of, they taste a bit creamy. They're very nice. I recommend them. I don't know why I'm recommending stuff, but they're very nice. If you want to try them out for size. In England, probably. Probably not anywhere else. Nom 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 nom. Donkey's like, Why are you eating gold nuggets? You're a nugget. Oh, hopefully you didn't see the answers, but here we go. What did the bee say to the naughty bee? Behive yourself. Where do bees keep their money? Think about it. Where do you keep money? In a honey box. Like a money box. I was thinking of piggy bank, and even though I saw the answer, I was thinking, you know, piggy bank, honey box. No, wrong. I don't know what that is, rice or something. Oh wait, sugar? I think that's sugar. I would be so bad if that went everywhere. Well, there's some more sugar, woohoo! That probably came from there. Granulated. I granulate all my clothes. I think that's making noise. Like bubbly. I'm scared, I'm scared, I'm scared, I'm scared, I'm scared. Oh no! I looked at that and I didn't notice. Okay, we're taking that out then. So I'm going to scoop this using the wrong tool, probably. Oh, I'm scared. I don't want to burn myself. I'm scared. There we go. Let's put that there. See what it's like on the other side. It hasn't done anything on that side. Oh, note to self and to you guys. Don't hit your food because it's kind of weird. I'm going to put it back in. Right. I'm going to wait it just a little bit longer. It looked like the cheese was starting to like just melt like off of the stuff, so it's probably gonna all pool around it and be a moat, and then the inside bit will be a castle. And then I'll eat it, and then a dragon will be like, you can't come in the castle, and I'll be like, oh, I'm gonna eat you, and then that's what's gonna happen. I want it to be goldeny so badly. I don't think it's gonna go goldeny. Dun 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 dun! So there it is. the final effect of it all. Looks a bit yellowy, like the white balance thingy. I don't know. It's very yellow anyway. There we go. From there. It goes a bit yellow if I go near it because it's so yellow. Okay, that's a little bit burnt and I kind of got rid of some of the burns. So if I don't go near it, it'll stay white balanced. So I'm going to put the leaves on. Yeah. It'll be covered up. It's very warm. I can feel it. And I don't want to touch it. I usually do it better than this, but I don't want to touch it, so I'm kind of just dropping it on there. Then put that on. That's done. So I'm gonna go now, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!